Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use shopping cart trick to get approved for credit card with no credit check at all. And you know that on Credit Viral channel, we always teach you new stuff and always give you the best opportunities that you need to avail in order to get access to the higher credit limit or higher credit funding. So right in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can get the credit card with shopping cart trick with no credit check at all, and it means not even a single effect on your credit. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. But before moving forward with this video, I would like to tell you that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $5,000 personal credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So let's start the video. So remember, there are 4 basic steps, and in order to know and learn how you can use this shopping cart trick to get the credit card with no credit check so your credit doesn't matter at all, please watch this video till the end. And remember, there are 4 steps. I am going to tell you everything in detail, so please bear with me till the end of this video. So now let's talk about the first step. The first step is that when you open your Chrome browser, yes, you have to have a Chrome browser in order to do that. So when you open your Chrome browser, you need to go onto these 3 dots right here, and then you need to click on it. Right? When you click on it, then you need to scroll down and come to settings. Right? So as soon as you come to settings, this page will open. All you need to do, you need to scroll down and click on site settings. Right? As soon as you click on site settings, you need to scroll down and click on pop-ups and redirects, and you have to make sure that these pop-ups and redirects are allowed. Right? So I'm gonna show you how to do that. You need to click on it, that's it, and it says allowed, you are good to go. So that's the first step for you. Now we are going towards the second step. Again, watch this video till the end in order to learn about shopping cart trick, and then it will enable you to get the credit card with no credit check at all. So now when we talk about the second step, all you need to do, you need to go to these 3 dots again, click on it, and then click new incognito window. Right? Go to these 3 dots and then click on new incognito window. Right? This window will open. It will say you have gone incognito, and right here what you need to do, you need to write on the browser Williams-Sonoma.com. That's it. Right? Williams-Sonoma.com. It's a Californian store, right? And they offer Visa credit cards for you guys, and they give you with no credit check at all if you follow this video and follow all the steps mentioned in this video. Right? So the first one, you have to allow the pop-ups. The second one, you need to open the incognito mode, and the third one, or I shouldn't say the third one, you just open the website, that is Williams-Sonoma.com. Now all you need to do, the third step, and that's my favorite step, and the step known as window shopping. So what window shopping means, that all you need to do, you need to add stuff into your bucket. So what it means, and what I mean by bucket, is actually in your cart. So you need to show them that you are actually on their website to buy things, but you are not going to do that. You are just going to add the merchandise into your cart. That's it. And I will tell you the 4th step right after it. So let's do the 3rd step. Let's go to the cookware and go to fry pans and skillets. How about that? Right? So as soon as it opens, just add, for example, this one. Right? So we clicked on this one, and let's have 2 of them. Right? And make sure that they say that this item can be shipped. Right? So click on add to cart, And remember, this is really important. When you add to cart, you see right there the subtotal is $99.90. Make sure that your total should be at least $250 or over $250. Remember, because their minimum credit limit is actually $250. So remember, it should be at least $250 or over $250. So right now we need at least $150 more. So let's continue shopping. So now let's go back and buy some more things to actually have $250 worth of merchandise. So let's go and see bakeware, right? So I'm gonna go to bread and loaf pans, right? I don't know, I never use it, but let's just click on it, right? And as soon as you do that, you see the prices right there. We can actually buy, let's buy this one, right? So click on it, and let's have 2 of them, and click on the red one. Remember, we are just adding it into the cart, not buying it, right? So now just click on add to cart. Again, you see it's $199. We still need at least $50 or more worth of merchandise in our cart. So let's click on continue shopping and add one more thing. I believe if we add only one thing, it will be equal to $250 or over $250. So let's go to the bakeware again, and this time let's go to the cake pans, right? So we click on the cake pans and let's buy, how about this one, right? Let's buy this one. Okay, they are yes available for shipping. Okay, so let's have 2 of them, and click on add to cart. As soon as I click on it, you will see the merchandise is actually over $250. Don't add like 500 or 600. It's not gonna work. At least have something between $250 or $350. So now click on continue shopping. So now click on it, and as soon as you click on continue shopping, you will have to go to checkout right here. As soon as you click on it, it will tell you express checkout or checkout. All you need to do, you need to click on checkout. You clicked on checkout and it will show you this screen right there, right? So now instead of creating an account, a lot of people will tell you, hey, you need to create an account and then fill out your information. No, you don't need to do that. All you need to do, just click on guest checkout. So you're going to click on guest checkout. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. Remember, we are going to upload that $5,000 credit card video with no credit check just for you. So in order to get notified, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video. And please like the video, it helps the channel. So now right here you can see it says ship to address, and they ask you for an address. Now this is the 4th and the last step, and this is one of the most important one. All you need to do, you need to put your first name, your address, your city, your zip code, and your phone number. But you have to make sure that this information should exactly match the information you have on your credit report. But remember, I'm going to show you each and everything in detail, so watch this video till the end. So now I'm going to put my information right here and show you that how the pop-up will look like and what you need to do from there, right? So let's do it. I am going to fill out my information right here. I'm going to skip it so you won't have to wait a lot. So now I have filled all of my information right there, and then I am going to click continue. So remember, right after this the magic will happen, so bear with me. Now we are going to do that. So I'm going to click continue. As soon as I click continue, it will actually give me an alternate address. And what I mean by alternate address, they say, hey, the address you have entered, we have a suggested address, do you want to use it? So I'm going to click use suggested. But remember, as soon as I'm going to click on it, the magic will appear. So let's do the countdown. 3, 2, 1, clicked, and it will say boom. Congratulations, you are pre-approved for your Williams-Sonoma Visa credit card, and all you need to do, you need to click on accept now. And as soon as you do that, you need to fill out your information and your credit card will be in your mail in next 5 to 7 business days. So you're welcome in advance, and please remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $5,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please like the video if you would like to support us. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.